Hi everyone, I'm Ishibashi from Advantech in Japan. In this video, I would like to share with you about COM-HPC and our new product SOM-8990 based on COM-HPC. I hope you enjoy this video. We have received some common questions from our customers, and I would like to share them with you. Question 1. Will COM-HPC standard replace COM-Express? This is a good question. The answer is no. COM-HPC is built to complement COM-Express with wider performance spectrum, supporting high-end CPU, more memory, and next-generation super-speed I/O. So each of these two standards will help to meet the requirements of different markets. Okay, next. Question 2. Customer request for PCI Express generation 4 I/O speed should then change to COM-HPC. This is also a good question. The answer is no. The new 220-pin board-to-board connector of COM-Express can support PCI Express Generation 4 performance, so customers stay in COM-Express form factor, and just by changing it to new board-to-board connector on the carry board, the dimension, footprint, and speed of the two standard connectors are different. COM-HPC's 400-pin board-to-board connector performance up to 32 gigatransfer per second, and COM-Express 220-pin board-to-board connector performance up to 60 gigatransfer per second. Okay, next question 3. Which product will support PCI Express Generation 4 performance? Yes, of course. We will offer these products that support PCI Express Generation 4. For COM-Express Type 6 products, SOM-6883 and SOM-5883. And for COM-Express Type 7 products, SOM-5993. Okay. Question 4. How to choose COM-Express and COM-HPC? Okay. COM-Express Type 7 can support up to 32 lanes PCI Express and 128 GB SOD memory. If you need more PCI lanes, PCI Generation 5, 65W TDP CPU performance, or more than 128 GB memory size, then you should change it to COM-HPC design. The board size of COM-HPC is larger for RDIMM and the definition of 800 pin. Next question, question 5. Which is the first COM-HPC product? As a member of COM-HPC commit, Advantech offers its first COM-HPC server module, SOM-8990, which Skylake D CPU on size E. It is fully compliant to COM-HPC specification. Next question, question 6. What are the performance features of SOM-8990? There are two major features of SOM-8990. The first is CPU performance. Compared to the 6-core Xeon-D 1500 series in our product lineup, the CPU benchmark is about 1.5 times higher. Intel Xeon-D 1577 is about 11,000, and Intel Xeon-D 2189NT used by SOM-8990 is about 80,000. The second is the maximum memory capacity. Our server-grade COM Express products have a maximum memory capacity of 128 GB. On the other hand, SOM-8990 can implement up to 512 GB of RDIMM. SOM-8990 has multiple core and large memory. Therefore, it's an effective product for applications that requires a large amount of memory, such as processing large amounts of data. Our main goal is to help you get to market quickly and successfully. For more information, please contact our sales office, which supports your region, or check out our website. Thank you very much.